Hello guys and welcome back to the mood. Today we are 25 of March 2021. I hope everybody's all right. So let's start with the winners of yesterday. I did an analysis of VRA because I saw that it was kind of trending and I thought like many people are going to buy it. It was actually 4 p.m. when I did this analysis and we were topping here, and I told you guys this was gonna drop, and that was my plan because actually daily was bad. So that's the one of the wins of yesterday. If you like this content, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and to my Twitter handle that you can see right here, The Mood. All right, so we got another winner yesterday. That was actually Luna, that I called the top here, guys. You can check out on my video I did 5 days earlier than today, and you will see I told you that. Now I will update this and I think we might maintain this level. We might be good on that level. Probably it's gonna dump a little bit more, but until further notice I don't think we might dump to that level. So you know what, let's remove it for now. So that's gonna be for the good ones, but we all know this was a horrible day, a horrible night. I think most of you guys had quite a bad sleep. And yeah, I think the mood again is today not so great, not so great. We are all sick of what we saw on Bitcoin, but you know guys, that's how it is. That's how it is, that's how this market is, and it's testing your limits and it's testing your hands and how you can handle all these ups and downs, and it's a roller coaster. It's always been, always will be. So that's why you have to be careful with your leverage. Or you use stop losses and you don't get caught on that, or you're trading on long term, you hold your holder, and you not get into too emotional when this kind of stuff happens. And it's really good not to get too much emotional and to be preserved from any kind of anxiety, because there is no reason to be anxious if you didn't put crazy leverage on your trades. So without further ado, let's get into the daily analysis. So guys, again, if you like this content, please consider subscribing to this channel. I do every day analysis of Bitcoin and altcoins depending on what people request me. So I was really tempted on Bitcoin to do a complete erase all my chart and start doing it all over again, but I think we are good. I know it's a while I'm saying that, but what happened yesterday, last night, it was so unexpected. Yeah, we had the Elon Musk news push us up back there in the ranging line I was thinking, but you know what, it's never easy to predict a movement on Bitcoin. It's always something very hard. So my winning point is that we touched this line, and I told you guys when we were on the 9th of March that we will go down and that we will have a dump, and then I start being in disbelief myself and I start maybe getting too emotional about this. So I didn't think we would in the end do it, but guys, these lines here, I put them before, and you can check back on my other videos. You will see that I was already planning this. So anyone who has shorted it here would have made a profit here. Of course, you don't short Bitcoin in a bull trend. We are still in a bull trend, so don't be greedy, don't short it. Whatever happens, it's better to buy. Actually, you know what, I'm in red on that position and I'm buying more, and that's how it is, that's how it works, and that's how it always worked since 2017 that I entered this market, and even a bit earlier, but I was not that involved. So please guys, consider subscribing to the channel right here. So what's coming? Purely on a technical point of view, because at that point we have to get technical and not emotional. Over Bitcoin, Bitcoin is the worst case scenario for me. The other altcoins you see later, things are getting better. But Bitcoin, we touched that resistance line here. It was a very important resistance line and we are holding it. Down there, we have a huge gap. We have a huge gap. That's where we don't want to go. If this breaks, we're gonna have some drama, because then, to me, that's what would await us, 38k before bounce and before we go back to where we were and break the skyline and go back to maybe 100k or something. Are we gonna break this resistance line? Look at what other YouTubers tell you about that. They say no, they say yes, they say both. No, you have to be ready for both scenario, of course, but to me right now it's totally improbable. I don't think so. Why? Because we have a RSI that is extremely low. Of course it can push down there, and that resistance line is really a major one, but we see a lot of fear. MACD is not that good, but it doesn't justify a breaking of this really important resistance line. So from now on, I think we are gonna hold that line, guys. I think so. If we don't, then it's drama. But I think we hold it, and we're gonna see a ranging here and trying to get back to the 54, but I don't think we will see it today. The market is depressed. By the way, how is S&P doing? My prediction from yesterday, it did actually good. Is it getting better? Come on. Is it getting better? Yes. Still accurate. Still accurate. Don't expect a crazy day like yesterday. Of course, if a whale decides to bring us down here, we might wick down, but I don't think we will go back there. There is nothing to hold us down there. Nothing. Be careful. Be careful. Don't leverage. Like I told you, I'm in the red on that position. I'm buying more. I just did buy more this morning, and I'm gonna buy more. If we drop down there, I'm okay with my leverage. I have some, but it's like just 1/4 of the whole amount I invest in all my trades. Most of my trades are in red right now. There is absolutely no shame about that. That happens to everyone, even the biggest trader in the world. For example, I'm gonna show you an example. Guys, there is nothing wrong to be in the red. And for example, I show you the accounts of Deep Value. That was one of the guys from Wall Street Bets that invested a lot in GME, and you know that GME has been crazy ups, had crazy downs, like 200x in one day or stuff like that. And he was hodling. He started with $900,000, and you can see he stayed on this position. He stayed on position, went to 1 million. He posted all his trades there at 3 millions, 2 millions. That was before the big hype. 3 millions, 11 millions. There we go. 11 millions, 13 millions, 47 millions on the top of the bubble, of the GME bubble. He held it. 33 millions, 46 million, 35 million, 22. He lost some. He was in the red, guys. 22, 17, back to 26, 40, 38, 29 as of this day. He's holding it. So don't be scared to be in the red. Just make sure you never liquidate it, because Bitcoin is a super safe asset for the future. About Ethereum is in a much better position. So that move here was cancelled. Extremely hard to predict. I'm not sure I will trade a lot of Ethereum in the closest future. It's so hard to predict. I know at some point there will be a massive move up. When? It's hard to say, because they have lots of stuff to fix, lots of fundamental to fix on Ethereum before we can totally blow the rooftop. And I'm pretty sure Ethereum at some point is going to hit the 10,000K limit. So on a technical basis, this huge bullish divergence here, it's outstanding. We are on this level, we are on this resistance level, Again, I don't think we will break it. Means now we can only go up. All right, Bitcoin is gonna lead the dance, but we can only go up. So we got also lots and lots of fear, a junk pack of fear here. I don't know if that's English, but I want to say it sounds nice. That's it. So I'm not scared, and this is what you see on many other alts. You got exactly the same stuff. Cardano doesn't have the bullish divergence, however. AVAX has a lot of same stuff, exactly the same stuff. It was a good buy here. It's still a good buy here. So Litecoin hit its resistance line here. Overall, I'm not scared, and you shouldn't be, because that's how things are. You don't want to be scared. You don't want to be greedy. You don't want either of these emotions, guys. So wait and see how things are gonna go today. I'm not doing any day trade because these conditions are too specific, and it will be very hard to get something out of this market. Also, I don't want to short it specifically. So yeah, you could edge and short, but no. The bull trend is not done yet. We still have a long way to go, so I'm not gonna do that. Every dip, I'm gonna do like we do, like in the old times, but we buy them. We just buy them, we manage our capital, and what is 6 months until this month of August? It's nothing in a term of a lifetime. So I want to get a nice capital in the end when this bull run is gonna end, and that's what I'm gonna build with you guys. So please, again, don't forget to subscribe to The Mood, and until tomorrow, and hoping we will get a better sleep, I wish you a very good day, and bye.